Double the security, double the peace of mind. Set up Telegram two-step verification today within a few steps. But first, don't forget to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to check two-step verification on Telegram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then select Settings from the menu. In Settings, tap on the Privacy and Security. Then you would want to find the Security section. This is where your extra protection option live. Tap the two-step verification and click on the Set Password option at the bottom. Create a strong password, something only you know. Finally, confirm your password. Make sure you have typed it correctly. Also set up a recovery email for the peace of mind in case you forget your password. To complete the two-step verification setup, check your email and enter the code that the Telegram has sent you. Once you have set it up, your account is much more secure. Every time you log in, you will need to enter both your password and SMS code sent to your phone. So this is how to check two-step verification on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.